at the beautiful Crawfordsburn Country Park today behind the Crawfordsburn Inn, and we're here to talk about something that most of us in this part of the world mention, I would say, at least 3 times a day, and that's the weather. And guess what? It's raining. So Liam, what is the Ulster-Scots word for rain?
Well, there's a brief few words for rain in Ulster-Scots, ranging from the extremely heavy to the quite light. And that rain today, I would say this is a drookit. That means it's grey and the rain is coming down, and it's that wet rain that you get.
Wet rain as opposed to dry. What would the term for dry rain be?
Well, there's no such thing as dry rain, but you would have a wee light bit of rain, that's called a skiff. So you'd have a skiff of rain, and you also would have a smur, which again is just a light dusting of rain. When it gets heavier, you're moving towards lashing, and if it comes down very heavy, in such quantities that you're left drookit, people would sometimes say completely drookit. That would be a plump, but that's not heavy enough for a plump today.
Plump's one of those great Ulster-Scots words that sounds like an English word but obviously means something completely different in the Hamley tongue.
It does. A plump of rain means a heavy downpour, a heavy burst, and you occasionally get that. Though obviously not when I was young, because the sun shone all the time.
So today we're in the teeming and lashing category.
Somewhere in that area, it's not quite bad enough for a plump.
Well, hopefully we'll get home before the plump starts. We'll see you next time.